Hey guys, Mike, Connecticut Auto Lock. I'm inside a 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee with the keyless go proximity system. I've already removed the start button from the dash to program keys in. This basically just pushes in a hole. If you get something flat behind it, you can just pop it right out and you'll notice your regular fabric looking ignition switch behind it. I don't know if I said it, this is all keys lost, so we have a new key. This is a used key that I bought and unlocked. And we're going to program a pod key in it as well for a backup. If you stick the key in the ignition, you can see that it is not programmed. Buttons don't work. We'll start by selecting vehicle. This is a Jeep. Grand Cherokee 10.5 to 13 with keyless go. We're going to first have to read the PIN code. It's going to ask you to switch the ignition on, which you can do with the unprogrammed key. I'm going to turn off our HVAC just to save some battery power here. PIN code 9703. Yes, that did work, and I just dropped the pad key down the seat. That's awesome. Hang on. All right, you got it. So 9703. So now we are going to disconnect from that function. We're going to program the immobilizer first. Switch ignition on. First thing I'm going to do is erase all of the old keys out of memory. You should hear a chime. Nope, no chime. But you can see that we now have no keys. We are now going to program keys. 9703. There's the chime. We now have one key programmed. We can remove it from the ignition. Yes, that did work correctly. We are now going to put our pod key in. It is now in the run position. 9703. We now have two keys stored. Yes, that did work correctly. Now we are going to have to go back out and match up our keyless go, which is a separate procedure for this. So basically, if you use this key, the remote functions will work. And if you use it in the ignition to start it, it will work, but we still need to match the keyless go to enable our proximity functions. So now we're going to, Grand Cherokee 10.5 to 13. We'll go under Program Remotes. Switch ignition on. We will do it with our proximity enabled key, which by the way, those fobic keys are a different part number. They are not compatible with the regular fobic. That is a proximity fobic. Match keyless go. 9703. Procedure complete. Yes. We can now remove this key from the ignition. I'm going to replace our start button. And now I can step on the brake and start the car. There it is, 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee with keyless go.